Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is up on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you some Basketball Zero codes. You can get tons of free money. You can also get 1,000 lucky spins for completely free. Super simple, guys, and by far the best Basketball Zero codes for Roblox. So before I get into the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do plan on making more Basketball Zero tutorials, but I also create loads of other Roblox games tutorials, so I highly recommend you check them out as I upload. So what you're going to want to do, guys, to get your Basketball Zero codes is use your mobile phone, open up the internet browser, head on over to www.coldcoupons.com, so coldcoupons.com, guys. Cold coupons. This is a awesome codes website. I've used them loads and loads of times over the past few months for different Roblox games. So you need to go to the search bar and in there just type Basketball Zero. This is the codes page here. Actually 100 people using this today. 7,800 ratings, pretty highly rated. You can get a Basketball Zero code for 1 million free cash. And this is the one pretty much everyone chooses. This is a Basketball Zero. Get 1,000 free lucky spins. So this is the easiest method on how to get lucky spins in Basketball Zero, because it is just a simple code that you can redeem in your game, and it's going to supply you with 1,000 lucky spins for free. So you need to unlock your personal code, guys, because these are limited codes. You can see there's 404 left, and this prevents people who actually create robots to steal these codes, so it prevents that basically. And it does limit one code per person. So what you're going to want to do is click on Get Full Code. I've already done this and I can't do it again. But yeah, basically click on Get Full Code and follow the instructions. You're going to see a screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code, and it took me a few minutes. I completed a couple of free tasks, and once I did that, my code was fully revealed. You can see people are doing this as well. It's now down to 401. So yeah, basically always just follow the instructions, grab your code, redeem it in Basketball Zero, and that is how to get free lucky spins. But yeah, these are the best currently working codes, so head on over to Cold Coupons. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video.